I'm going to show you how we can set up WordPress domain and hosting, also a free SSL. So let's log into the TMD admin panel, and then we will set up WordPress SSL and hosting. So we are now on TMD logging panel. I'm going to add my email address and password, then click on login. This is TMD hosting client area, and we are going to check our domain. So please click on domain and then my domain, and this is my domain. I already purchased this domain, so let's see how it looks now. You can see this is a temporary TMD landing page, and we will set up WordPress to the main domain. Also you can see this is not secure, so when we will install SSL, it will show this website is secure. So click on my services, and you can choose manage product or go to the home page, then click on your active products, Linux shared hosting. We have to go cPanel to set up SSL and WordPress. So scroll down and find the cPanel, click on cPanel. It will redirect to another tab to open the cPanel. So now scroll down to find out let's interrupt free SSL, and this is a free SSL for lifetime. We will set up this SSL to our domain so that the domain will not show it's not secure. You can see that we have to issue this SSL to our domain. You have to select or check DNS01, then click on issue, and within few minutes it will set up to your main domain. Now you can see that let's interrupt SSL already set up, and we are going back to the SSL page. Now it's time to install WordPress, so let's back to the cPanel. We have to find WordPress Manager by Soho Plus. Click on this. Now click on install. There is a lot of function here, but we will install WordPress to the main domain. So we have to delete WP, because if we will install WordPress to WP, it will not install to the main domain. So we are going to install main domain and have to select HTTPS. So we already have installed the SSL, so we have to select HTTPS so that the website will show secure into the browser. I will add admin username here, add unique admin user, also add a unique password that is strong, and also add admin email. I am going to add my email address, so if I will lost my password, I can reset it by my email address. So let's put my email address. Scroll down, and we are not going to select any of this plugin, and scroll down more to install button, click on install. It will take few minutes to install WordPress to your main domain, and you can see there is a administrative URL here. If you click on it, it will redirect to the new tab and log into the WordPress admin panel. To following this instruction, you can easily set up your free SSL to your main domain, also install WordPress to your main domain. So I hope you can do it now very easily.